Well, the first time I made this, it was gone instantly. Everyone loved it. So now it's a thing. So now everyone's like, are you bringing the berry pie?
So do you bring more than one to
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have to have extra.
I think that fruit has a nice bit of acidity and sweetness, and so I look for contrasting textures. You've got that crisp graham cracker crust and that kind of smooth filling underneath it. It's pretty great.
So while that's cooling, we're gonna make the filling, which involves both fresh whole berries and more of a puree to help anchor the berries in the pie and make clean slices.
They're not mind-blowing tricks, but they're so smart using the cornstarch instead of pectin or gelatin, because it won't melt if you have it outside for 2 hours. It'll still look great, it'll still slice.
We're gonna pour the sweetened, thickened puree into the pie filling.
Using that fruit puree is just a really nice way to highlight the berries, and this one just glistens.
Oh, doesn't that look pretty?
That glaze on top, and you pile the berries really high, and so it looks so inviting and fresh and delicious.